So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be displaying today's matches. I'm not going to be displaying old matches. And as you can see, these matches are old. These matches, I think 2 months have been played 2 months ago, if I'm not mistaken. But I need to. What if we want to get today's matches? Let me show you how you can do that and how you can get today's matches. So the first step is that we need to import here a library called called date time. So I'm going to say from date time import date time, and then in order to get today's date, we need to say here date time dot today dot strf time, and then the format. So I'm going to be using this format. So I'm going to paste this format here, year, and then month, and then day. This is going to display the format exactly as this format, as the format that we need. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to store it in a variable called today. So today is going to be this. This is going to return today's date. Finally, we need to pass that date in this from as well as in this too, because we want to get today's matches, only today's matches. So I'm gonna say here, I'm gonna remove this date. I'm gonna remove this date that's after the from, and then I'm gonna add double quotes, and then I'm gonna say plus plus, and then I'm gonna say today. Similarly for 2, I'm gonna say 2 equals 2, and then I'm gonna remove the date. I'm gonna remove this date, and then I'm gonna add here double quotes, and then plus plus, and then today. What this is gonna do is that it's gonna replace this. This is gonna replace the from and to dates with today's dates. In other words, we will get the matches that have been or are being played today. So which is amazing. Let me now save and let me head on over to the browser to test. And before I test, I need to tell you that it might not work for some plans. So if you are using the free plan, it might not work because I think the free plan will allow you to get matches that have been played a month or two, or only I think old matches that have been played 1 month ago from today. Let me refresh and see what is going to happen. So as you can see, I'm not going to get anything, but you get nothing. It means that there is no there are no matches there are no matches today. So you can verify this if you change here this date. You can verify this to make sure that there are no matches, or you are using which plan you are using. So if I try to change the date, as you can see, it says here if there are no matches, it's either gonna say it's gonna say no event found. Please check your plan. So there are no problems.